Welcome to the YouTube channel PCMB Tutorials. Today we are going to learn class 9th chemistry chapter chemical bonding, and this is the part 3. In this part we are going to start with what is a chemical bond. So our topic is chemical bond. During a chemical reaction, atoms come closer and are held together by a force of attraction to form molecules. This force of attraction is called a chemical bond. Chemical bonds are responsible for the existence of molecules. Compounds are made up of different kinds of molecules, and there are millions of compounds. These millions of compounds are possible only from 115 elements due to chemical bonding. If there is a reaction N plus C, it will give NC. That is called chemical bond. What happens when atoms are brought closer? What happens when atoms are brought closer? In this question, atoms experience two kinds of forces when they are brought closer. First is attractive force, and second is repulsive force. Attractive force, this is due to the attraction between positively charged nuclei of atoms and the electrons of adjacent atoms. Like this is an atom, this is electron, and this is its adjacent atom. Sorry. This is its adjacent atom with again two electrons. Now the repulsion is due to the repulsion between the negatively charged electrons of the adjacent atoms, or it also occurs between the positively charged nuclei of adjacent atoms. Means repulsion can happen at the positively charged nuclei or the negatively charged nuclei of adjacent atoms, and attractive force is between the attraction of positively charged nuclei to the negatively charged electrons. This is attraction. Over here also they both will attract. And when atoms come too close, It becomes a case of too much is too bad. Over here, the closeness should be neither too high nor too low to attain maximum stability. Next topic is electrovalency theory. Electrovalency theory Cosell and Lewis approach of bonding. Cosell and Lewis approach of bonding. A number of attempts were made to explain the formation of chemical bonds in terms of electrons, but it was only in 1916 Cosell and Lewis succeeded independently in giving a satisfactory explanation. They proposed a theory based on electronic concept of atoms known as electron theory of valency. The main postulates of this theory are: first is the secret of stability of atoms. The secret of stability of atoms means atoms with 8 electrons in the outermost shell are chemically more stable. But in case of hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, there are 2. And second is cause of chemical reaction. Cause of chemical reaction. The cause for chemical reaction is to attain stability. This is achieved by an atom by acquiring the octet configuration in its outermost shell. Third one is type of electrons. Type of electrons taking part in chemical reaction or chemical bonding. Chemical reaction, or you can write chemical bonding. The electrons present in the outermost shell of an atom are responsible for the chemical reaction. Now, the outermost shell is called the valence shell, and hence electrons present in it are called valence electrons. The number of electrons taking part in chemical reaction is called valency of that element. And the fourth postulate is attainment of nearest inert gas configuration. The atoms of various elements achieve the nearest gas configuration either by transfer or by sharing of sharing of electron with another atom. This transfer or sharing of electrons result in the development of an attractive force between the atoms which holds the atoms together by a bond. I hope you have understood till this topic. In part 4 we will learn electron dot structure of atoms, Lewis symbols, significance of Lewis symbols, and etc. I hope you have understood till this. Thank you for watching. Let us meet in part 4.